If I speak in tongues of mortals and of angels, but do not have love, I am a noisy gong or a clanging cymbal. And if I have prophetic powers and understand all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have all faith, so as to remove mountains, but do not have love, I am nothing.
Who said I love you first? Think about it.
It's been beautiful to see the way their love has grown. As much as I love Mary, I've grown to love Dio. I've been a witness to see how much he adores her, how much he looks after her, how much he makes her smile. She's honestly the happiest I've ever seen her. There's a light in her that I've never seen anyone else bring to her life. And in this relationship, Mary, she's lovely, she's kind, she's caring, she's intelligent, she's beautiful, she's stylish.
My beautiful wife, I, Oladayo, take you, Oluwadamilola.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
In the presence of God, I make this vow. You look absolutely stunning today. I'm so happy to be married to such a beautiful and talented woman. I feel hugely privileged that you've chosen to be my wife. You make me so happy, and I look forward to spending the rest of our lives together.
Yeah. Shake it. Damn. Yeah. All I ever want, all I want is to love you, baby. It's to love you, baby. It's to love you, baby. All I ever want, all I want is to love you, baby. It's to love you, baby. Fucking love you, baby. You know they do me nothing. But baby, I'm twisted. I'm twisted, I swear. Oh, you know they do me nothing. But baby, I'm twisted, I'm twisted, I swear. Yeah. Yo, say you go the popo. She say, oh no. I say, yeah. Yo, say you go the popo. She say, oh no. Give me joy. You give me joy. You give me joy.